One of the reasons why most guitarists fail to sound professional is not because of their slow fingers, but because of their bad ears. Most beginner and intermediate guitar players tend to focus more on learning skills, learning how to improve their chords, but then they leave the most important part of the equation out, using their ears properly. And if you are in that category, it explains why you are still struggling by now. But by the end of this video, that struggle is going to come to an end, because in this video I'm going to teach you 3 simple ear training exercises to practice and help you become a better guitarist. So if this sounds like something you want to learn, stick to the end of this video. In order for us to get started, I assume we all know how to play the major scale. And if you don't know how to do that, kindly pause this video and find how to play the major scale in my channel, or you can simply click the course below to learn how to play the major scale. So now that we know how to play the major scale, let's move to the first tip that would help you improve your ear training. So in 2013, when I started learning how to play the guitar, my dad taught me something very important. He would always tell me that whenever I played the scales, I should vocalize what I was playing. I should produce the sound that the notes were producing. At that time, it sounded very stressful. Like, how would I play and sing the notes at the same time? I told him that I'm not good at singing, but he kept insisting. So, because he was my teacher at the time, I decided to obey. Then over the years, I realized that that was one of the most helpful things I had ever learned on the guitar. Now, this tip is vocalizing the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is very important because it has a way of fine-tuning what you are singing with what you are playing and what you are hearing. So, the moment you are on the guitar, do, la, ti, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Each time you practice this, your ears get used to this sound. Because you are singing it, you can easily pick out a note, right, when you hear it. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So each time you practice the major scale, I would advise you to vocalize it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If you like this first tip, I want you to comment I like it in the comment section. Alright, let's move to the second tip. Now the second tip is also interesting. This is what we're going to do. By the time you practice the first tip well enough, re, mi, la, ti, do, you already know what note comes after another note. So for example, you know that after a do is a re, right? And a mi, like that. So this second tip is based on the first tip. So if you don't learn the first tip, you're going to struggle with the second one. Ensure you learn the first tip and make sure it sticks. Practice it well, alright? Now, this is what I want you to do for the second tip. When you play the do, right? Vocalize the other notes. After do, what is it? The note after do is a re. So do, re. Then you play the next note after re. What is the next note after re? Is mi. So we have do. We are playing do. Then we vocalize re. Then we play the note after mi. Then we vocalize the next note after mi, which is fa. Then we play the next note after fa. Then we'll vocalize the next note, la. Then what is the next note after la is ti. Then we vocalize the next one, do. So, re, fa, la, do. I believe you got it. Now, if you feel I'm too fast or this technique is too fast, just pause the video, rewind it and take it slow so that it sticks in your memory. Alright, if you like this particular one, I want you to comment I like it in the comment section. Let's move to the last exercise that would help you to improve your ear training. Now this is your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right now this one sounds more advanced than the other two. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to play every note in the major scale, but we'll play it together with the do. This is what I mean. Now the major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we'll do re, do, mi, do, fa, do, sol, do, la. Now doing this would also improve your ability to recognize the key you are in, the root note, because the root of every key is your do. Alright, so if you are in the do, sol, do, when you practice that like long enough, when you hear any sound, you'll be able to pick out, oh, this is the root, alright? So to practicalize it, this is what we're going to do. Our major scale will play do, then we'll play re, then do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do. Now notice the do is on one position. I believe you are following this. I hope you are also watching this video with your guitar, because if you are not practicing with your guitar, you are wrong. You are not going to understand. So pick up your guitar and practice along, alright? So do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do. Then you can reverse it again. Do, do, ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do. Alright? You can also use this one, the bonus. You can also use this other guy. This other one, the last one here. Do, so, do, fa, do, mi. So I believe you must have heard something like this. Do, so, do, so. This is the tip they use, alright? Okay, so these 3 tips are tips that would help advance your ears. Now, a lot of people usually skip ear training. When they see tutorials about ear training, they skip it and they think what they need to learn is skills. It's important, but if you neglect your ears, you're going to sound messed up, alright? Your tone won't sound as beautiful as it should. So if you found this video helpful and you want to watch more videos like this, you also need training and you want to improve on your skills and soloing, I've created courses on that. And I also do one-on-one coaching. So if you're interested in all of those things, just follow the link below to contact me, purchase the courses. And if you want to watch more videos to improve your playing, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one.